Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to export a file as a PDF in Google Sheets. First, select the page you want to export. Then, go to File, click on Download, and you'll see multiple format options. To save it as a PDF, select PDF. A settings pop-up will appear, where you can choose between portrait or landscape mode and adjust various other settings to customize your file. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next one.